Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Amy and today's video is a super exciting one. I am going to be sharing with you a genius subscription box. I wish I would have thought of this myself, and I told my friend this. She's the lady that thought up this concept. I told her when I met with her last month for coffee that I wish I would have thought of this because it's so perfect for what I do here on my channel. So many of you have found my channel because you were searching out like moving to Alaska or living in Alaska, and this is a box all about Alaska. And this is the first one. It's called the Bear Box, and keep an eye here on my channel and in the description box. I'm going to have a coupon code and a way that you could win one, and I'm so excited to dig into this. So what I know so far, I haven't opened this yet, so I don't even know what's in it, but I'm excited to see. So the Bear Box is a monthly subscription box. It's $45 a month, but it includes shipping. So it's $45, shipping included, and it's valued at more than $45. I think it'll vary a little bit each month. When the creators of the Bear Box put together this box and this concept, they were super genius and decided instead of just making it like vaguely Alaskan themed, they picked a different part of Alaska for each box. So say there could be like a Sitka box, a Fairbanks box, a North Pole box, an Anchorage box, things like that. So you're gonna find brands that are specific to that city or that part of Alaska. And I think that's so cool, so that if you go to visit that place, you might be familiar with brands or small businesses that are in that town or city. So I don't know where this one is from. I'm just gonna open it with you guys and share it with you. This video is not sponsored. She did send it to me, but obviously I don't have to share it with you if I am not paid to do it, but I'm so excited about it that I want to share it with you guys. So, and I love the logo, you guys, and I told the team that when I met with them, I was like, the logo is so genius. It's like blue geometric pieces making up a bear carrying a box, which I just love the whole thing. Like, it would be a cool tattoo, because you know that I'm into tattoos lately. Madeline, can you turn on the light in the kitchen? So I just had my daughter turn on the light, so the lighting probably changed a bit. But when I was talking to the team and they asked if I'd be interested in receiving a box in exchange for sharing it with you guys, I was like, maybe we could do a giveaway so that they could win one. And so stay tuned for the rules. I'm gonna put them in the description box, and I'll put any discount codes and things like that right here on the screen for you guys so that you can take advantage of the offer. But this is the very first box. This brand and this company just launched, and so I'm super excited to be a part of it. So it says, "You are here, downtown Anchorage. The Northern Anchorage district is full of shopping centers, business venues, locally owned shops, and restaurants." And so this is what it looked like as soon as I opened it. I love it. Oh my gosh. So it makes you feel like you're like in this part of Alaska when you open the box. And there's like a little map with a star for where this is. And actually my church is in downtown Anchorage, so I think that's super cool. And then there's like a little card thing that says the items that are in here, but I don't want to look at that because I just want to look inside the box and be surprised. So the first thing I see is this super beautiful, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm not sharing this with anybody. This is so cool. It's like a food grade silicone cup, but with this beautiful artwork on it. And it is from, I'm not sure where this is from. Let me see. Octopus Ink, which is a very popular brand. I see lots of people wearing like hoodies and t-shirts with their artwork on it. This is so cool, you guys. I love it. Madeline, look at this cup.
I don't even think I've ever felt a cup like that.
It is so cool. That is so cool. Like the whole box is already good. Like I don't need anything else. And then inside the cup there was a Bear Box business card, and it just has like their website and phone number and email and all that. You could also find them on Facebook and Instagram. The next thing in here is Owl Bee Jammin' Coffee, and it says sustainable, shade grown, and bird friendly. Art by Amanda Brannon, and this is Kobuk coffee. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. Yes. Daddy's gonna be making me some coffee with this. It smells so good, you guys. And the other thing that I love about this is that you're supporting like other small businesses that are local to Alaska. I just love it. And you guys have to think about like Christmas. Christmas is coming up, so if you know someone that wants to come to Alaska or that is coming to Alaska or that used to live here and they would like this box, this is definitely something to consider for them. Plus it's $45 and it includes shipping. So you just order your box and it gets sent. And I know that if you order the subscription box, I don't know all of the details, but like the more months that you sign up for, the better rate that you pay. The next thing in the box is a little coaster, I think is what it is. Kiss a Moose Photography. What is it called? Cup holder thing.
I think it's a mouse.
But it's got a really beautiful photo of a bull moose. So that's cool. That's awesome. And that's by kissamoose.com. Have you ever kissed a moose? The next thing in here is fresh from Alaskan waters, Northern Aurora Sea. I personally don't eat fish, but I know a lot of people that do, and this is like perfect to go in a stocking, so I don't know. I might save it for that, or maybe I'll take it to Kirk tonight down at the church and he can try it, and we'll let you guys know. Any salmon lovers out there? I know I'm weird. I'm born and raised in Alaska and I don't eat most fish. I don't like it. Oh, there was another one. Oh my goodness, is there like a set and I didn't even know it? Let's see. So there's another one. It's got a eagle and a bear. So it's like a set. So it's coasters. That's really cool. And then let's see. The next thing in here, it says Kalev Naturals Vintage Skincare K-Dude Arctic Hand Balm. Kalev, I don't know how to pronounce this. Kalev Naturals uses tallow from pasteurized grass-fed cows, which is a nutrient-rich superfood for your skin. Tallow, beeswax, cocoa butter, avocado oil, pumpkin seed oil, candula, tea tree, frankincense, and lavender. Let's smell this.
I can't smell.
Do you want to try the fish?
Sure.
You do?
Yeah, I love
Madeline
fish.
wants to try the fish.
I love fish.
Okay, hold
Can
on.
I open it?
In just a minute. We'll do it in just a second.
Chapstick.
Ooh, this smells really good. Yes, it does. Do you want to smell it?
Sure. Ooh.
Does it smell good? It smells like essential oils. You guys know I love essential oils. I use Young Living essential oils, which I don't know what kind of oils they use in this, but it does smell really good. And with winter coming, you can always use some hand balm. And I think that's it, y'all. So that's everything in the box. My favorite thing that I loved when I first opened this is that it was like, you are here. So it made me feel like I'm in this spot, which is so cool. Especially like if I had never been to Alaska before, like I just feel like that's a really cool experience. And I'm super excited for the Bear Box and their company and all that they're gonna do. So leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of this video. Should I do a Bear Box unboxing like every month on my channel? Would you guys like that? Would you like to see different products from different parts of Alaska? I think that's Natalie at the door.
I don't know, I'll open it.
So a huge shout out and thank you to the Bear Box for sending this. I love it. I'm super excited to try this coffee, and this cup is like this thing is amazing. This is my favorite thing. I love it. And I'm probably gonna have to go post some pictures on Instagram because how freaking cute is this thing? Love it. Oh, it was. Okay.
I'm excited to try the fish.
You are?
Yeah.
Okay, come sit by me. So Madeline's gonna try the fish. Do you wanna get a fork?
Sure.
Okay.
Wait, do you have to cook it?
No, I think it's just like if you had tuna in a can.
Oh, I love
Except
tuna.
for this is salmon. You want to try it too?
Okay, go with a fork.
Kylie and Madeline are going to try the salmon. So this is what it looks like. Super cool packaging. And, oh, do you like the cup, Hadley? All my kids are going to come dig into the box and steal what they can.
Is that the beer box?
Yes.
You want to try some
Look
salmon?
at this cup that it came with.
Feel it.
Isn't that so beautiful?
It's like a silicone cup.
Yes, yes.
Like a silicone baby doll.
What's this, Hadley? I'm gonna plate this so you guys can see what it looks like. It is salmon. Smell it. It smells really good and I don't eat salmon. So this is what it looks like.
Because there were so many people.
Only 7 players.
That's what it looks like. Okay.
I like fish, so.
It's really good. It is? Is it sweet or salty or?
Is this a sponsored video?
Do you want a bite?
Yeah. That is amazing.
The baby wants some.
I want
Good
this
girl. Look at her.
She said that she's not sharing with anyone.
You guys, Hadley's eating salmon right now. She's never had salmon in her life. Is it good? Do you like it?
Okay, bye.
Well, that'll be gone in like 2 minutes because my kids love it.
I use it.
All right, you guys, so I am super excited to share with you that the Bear Box has offered the first 50 people $10 off of a 3-month Bear Box subscription. And then one of you will win a 4th month for free. So make sure to take advantage of that. I'll have the code here for $10 off your box. Hadley's trying to rip my shirt off because she wants to nurse because she's sick. So give this video a big thumbs up. Huge shout out to the Bear Box. Congratulations on your launch of your box. I love the first month. I can't wait to see what's in month 2. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.